Hi everyone, it's Jeannie from Create and Babble, and today I want to show you how to print your photographs onto wood. Yes, print your photographs onto wood. And here's what I'm talking about. Get your favorite photographs onto wood. And it's easier than you think. It's a lot less messy than you think because we're going to do it without chemicals. We're just going to be using an inkjet printer, your favorite photographs, a piece of scrap wood, and a hot iron. Let's get started. You'll need some scrap wood cut down to match the size of the photographs that you're going to use. I used 3/4 inch plywood scraps that I already had. You're going to need the transfer paper, you're going to need a hot iron, no steam, and you're going to need some photos printed out on the transfer paper. As you can see, there's a blue stripe on the back side of the paper. You want to orient that into your printer so that it doesn't print on that blue line. The blue line is the back, and that's the side you'll be ironing. So you lay the printed image face down onto your plywood or whatever wood you're using, and your blue stripe will be up. And then with your hot iron with no steam setting, I have it on the highest setting, I think it's linen on my iron, and you just iron. There's no really right or wrong way to do this. I go back and forth. I just let it sit for a few seconds in one spot, but generally I keep it moving around. Now this takes a little bit of time, at least 5 minutes for a project this size, which is about 8 by 10. And you can keep checking the corners like I am, lifting up, and you'll be able to tell because the paper lifts up easier when the transfer is completed, and you'll see that the paper starts to bubble up too, and you can tell when it's time to start peeling that paper up. And you do it while it's hot. I've not tried it while it's cold. So here's the second photograph. This has dark ink on it, so I wanted to do a light one and a dark one just to see the difference and see if there is any difference on whether you should use dark photographs or light photographs. There's no difference. Again, you just keep moving that iron around. It takes at least 5 minutes. It took a little longer, I think, because there was more color in this photograph. And in the paper, like I said, the paper releases very easily when it's time, when all the ink has been transferred.